Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the pleasurable expansion. Now we will learn how to move elements. It's a batch operation, even though we can consider that, yeah, it's knowledge tree, that we will see later. I can right click and move. I don't refer to this. I'm referring to the batch operation. What's the difference? Easy. Instead of a branch in the knowledge tree will be any content. So I can go view, I don't know, semi-leeches in my collection. So this will be spread over the knowledge tree. And then if I really want, I can go to the process browser and move. I can move to a branch, so physically in a place in the knowledge tree, or to a concept, like if it was using the concept hook manually. In this case, that doesn't make sense because our leeches will be different concepts. I don't want that. And I don't need to have this physically. But look at this. That is flat. This was personal choice to declutter my collection. Because, yeah, for instance, I have everything about not everything, but everything I had about genetics and evolutionary biology. You see, ta 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 ta. So I don't need all of the folders, all of that. So how did I achieve that? With the sim feature. So for the sake of the example, what I will do on vocabulary, for instance. Do you see this is still half done? The graph theory? I'm still not done. I will do it now for the example. Instead of processing the branch, I will first open it in the browser because I want to filter. Only the memorized and then only the items. Assuming I will do this once I'm done, then I want to move them. But only those, not the entire thing. So, now process browser, move to a branch, graph theory. I could even stretch it to put it at the same place. So I flatten the hierarchy. That's the intention of this folder. That's why it's called flat. But now for simplicity, because I'm not done, I will put graph theory. And then I press enter. Do you want to transfer all browser elements? Yes. 96. That's super cool because this is an quote-unquote arbitrary selection. In this case, all of them were from the same branch, but in different sub-branches, they had a lot of children, all of that, Or could be the case, for simplicity, I'm doing this, like the semi-leeches, that could be in education, health, in any part in my collection. So instead of looking for this, oh yeah, I'm making this up, but outline, oh, look at this outline that I did. I want this here so I can move it. Yes, we're moving it. Project management. Okay. So now it's here. Oh yeah, just move it. Yes. You just moved from the parent in the ancestors. That's it. You still have all of the hierarchy. The child, 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 and finally you have the item. But I want to flatten this. What I could do is open that. Only items. Only memorized, just in case. Okay, everything is memorized. And then I move to a branch in the same place. And you see, what is the point of the same place? Well, because now you see it's flattened. So then I can just delete all of those branches, all of those folders. Delete, delete, ta-pa-pa-pum. And now I have the same content, but only the items. It's one flow, you can use that. That in my case, I didn't have the concept. What I could do is let me search for management, then only items, and only memorized. Nice. So in that case, if I really want to, then I will go move to a concept, and then that's the registry, and I have product management. For simplicity, I know it's dummy, let's assume it's this thing. Then I will accept. Do you want to transfer all browser elements? Yes. And now I just use the hook. So it doesn't go, in this case goes here. So inside 2022, this folder, and then product management. Why this place? Because I have used the concept hook. If I just use the other option, the branch, it's physical. I decide on the knowledge tree. I could decide to go inside a concept, but that's not the same thing, because it will be physically a child, but the concept would still be no group. I'm not setting the concept by putting it inside. So that depends on you. Usually those features, remember what I have done is dummy because I didn't check if management was about the project management or project or product. The management I had was from the school or managing the feelings or emotions. They are false friends. They are false candidates. That's how you can move elements through the browser, so through the batch operation, not just the knowledge tree. See you in the next video.